Hey guys, Jessica here with Deborah. In today's video, we're going to dive into the push traffic source Hilltop Ads, and I'd like to go ahead and show you guys what they have to offer. Okay, so let me move myself because we came to look at the website, not me. Alright, so I'm going to put me up here. So you can make bit money from your website. That's good news. I probably will dive into that part, right? We are 100% interested in monetizing and creating passive income opportunities. And I think that push notifications on website and creating your own database is kind of something that is literally a cool way to control your traffic, right? In your offers and your promotions and your campaigns. So Hilltop Ads, so far I'm digging the colors. I'm all about blue and green. It plays on the trust and the like factor. So you can go by CPM, traffic from direct publishers, advanced targeting, which is good for push traffic, no financial transaction fees, that's convenient, Adserver solutions, custom solutions for valued partners. So that's interesting. You build loyalty and they like you, which is what I'm finding to be a common denominator for most traffic sources. Monetize your site as a publisher, and we're going to be here as advertisers. So let's see. Oh, all geos. They said that confidently, didn't they? Excuse me. Deeper targeting. All right. They keep bringing up this targeting, so we're going to see what they have. Their own ad server and real-time bidding solution. That's what RTB means. And then all traffic scanned and verified. All right, bet. So their ad units, they got it all. Native, video, push, pop, direct, and display. And so they claim that they're the best pop under network. Okay, so let's see what they have to offer. I've gone ahead and already created an account with them. So I like how they're oh, let me head's a little big there. Alright, so if I had any impressions, my stats would be here, and I like how you can look at both because some platforms have it separated between advertiser and publisher. I like how they have it together because what if I want to play both sides of the field? You know, sometimes players gotta play. And now I would assume this is the fun. So when I first came in here, they were talking about giving me an extra $20 or something. So this is how you would do your fund deposits, wire transfer, Paxum, ePay, WebMoney, ePayments, Bitcoin. And like they said, there's no transaction fees. So you put your money in and then you get it out. And so let's take a look here. I guess these are going to be the stats whenever I do have stats, so you can see how you can filter it by ad type, which is beneficial. Oh, is this the little pop-up telling me I can... Oh, no, this is something for work. Hold on, guys. 1 second. That's not supposed to happen. Okay, so so this is going to be all of the ad types. Okay, so this is the video, push notification, mobile. Oh, and they have it separated by device. This is... I'm already liking Hilltop already. Okay, then you can go by ad campaign, so on and so forth. Manage your campaigns here. So they want us to make a deposit. I think it has to be $100. Let's see. Oh, I'm back where I came from. So if we go here, am I looking at this right? Minimum payment sum is $300. Oh, okay. Excuse me. So they want minimum of $300. Let me see about WebMoney. Okay, so it's different. I figured it was different. So $500 for wire, $200 for Paxum, $200 for ePay. So it looks like you can go as low as $200. That's your minimum deposit for them. All right, bet. So they will give you $20 for $200. Yeah, whatever. That's ridiculous. All right, let me see here. Estimation tools. So if I'm going for not any of these, what the fuck? All right, so let me just... How am I supposed to estimate push notifications? I'm not doing any of these. Oh, now they're starting to irritate me now. Alright, now let's go to... Oh, I'm not a publisher. So... Alright, let me try to build a campaign. Alright, so if we do add campaign, let's see what their campaign structure looks like. Alright, so we would choose the format, which for us usually is mobile for the majority of the offers that we run. We usually do CPC when we're testing. I would 100% do CPC with these guys. I don't know what the hell is going on. We would do mainstream. I don't want any adult, but now you know you can do adult traffic. And then we would just name the campaign. Always leave frequency at 1. Don't change that. Okay, so you would obviously want to do targeting by geo. So we would choose by tiers, what they got here. All right, bet. So you can go by tier 1, 2, or 3. Include or exclude. Okay. Okay. Oh, got it. All right. Browsers. So we got all the browsers, operating systems. Okay, so they can target iOS and Android. And then we have, let's take a look here. You can do smartphone or tablet. Okay, they are right. They are pretty detailed. And then the only problem is they missed the ball here. So not very helpful that I can't target there, but I don't know. We'll see if we have any tokens we can utilize. And here goes their day parting, which you can also set up by time zone, which is great because that is very important. Let's see what we got here. We got more. We got language, we got operating systems, and we got brand mobile devices. Why I can't choose it? Why can't I choose it? Don't know. We'll explore that mystery another day. So daily impression limit. I don't think you would need to set that. Because you want to go for the maximum impressions. Total impression limit, you wouldn't need that. So your daily budget. So yeah, you would set that here. Your total budget limit, and then you would have to change. Oh, they're gonna get you if you don't change that. They're gonna get you. So they have this pearl, so obviously you can add more than one. Let's see how many we can put in here, because they sure didn't tell us, did they? Let's see. I got one. It's invalid. You see how you see that, right? Right format, the right size, acceptable format. Come on. All right. Let me see. So we got one. Okay, so it's going to give you the ability to name it. This is going to be where you add your campaign URL. Here's your title, your description up to 120 characters. That's new. We have an email icon, I assume for... Oh, that's what I named it. Alright, here's the icon, and then here's going to be the large image that we can include with it. So, let's just see how many I can add, because it's still being secretive. Where's push number 2? I guess I can only add more than one image. Let me see if that was the case. So let me try to put an image here. Let's do big guy, and we're doing a fat loss product. See, I'm done. Let's do this one. Oh gosh. What's another one I know should work? This one should work. What the hell? Yeah, done with that. So I'll figure out how many it can be. Click rate, what's this? So to choose a proper rate, look for the estimation, or contact your manager is to be accepted. So should I do 2 cents? Then I guess you would just add the campaign. Alright, so we can't estimate because I don't have push mobile traffic there. I don't know how many creatives I can add, and if I want to clear that, you would just need to clear because that was getting annoying. So that's Hilltop Ads. So they're a little steep on the investment side, but I mean, if they're saying that they have advanced targeting, then probably we could get somewhere with their traffic. So we might play around with them, see what they have to offer. That was not really an in-depth watch me build, or that was horrible. That's why I like to do stuff before I dive into it. But we freestyle today. Let us know if you have any questions. Let me know if you want me to dive into anything in Hilltop Ad that you have any specific inquiries about. Come find me in the AFK forum where I'm always moseying around everyone's questions, talking about push traffic, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.
Allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.